Hi guys, here's the advisor. And have you ever imagined to take a loan that repay itself? Seems impossible, but it's reality on Stacks. Today, we'll look at the Arkadiko DeFi project on Stacks, which its main feature is self-repaying loans, but it's on DEX and it issued the first Dollar stablecoin on Stacks. Before going on, I must say that this video is not a financial advice, but it has education purpose only. The first thing that you should know about Arkadiko is the Vault service, which enables the self-repaying loans. Basically, you'll be able to deposit stacks in a vault, emit USDA, which is Arkadiko dollar stablecoin. Then, the deposited stacks token will be staked thanks to the proof of transfer mechanism, which has a yield of about 8 to 10% annually on stacks, and therefore enabling self-repaying loans. But we'll briefly see a couple more factors to look at to understand the risk behind this service. From a practical point of view, just visit the Arkadiko website, which is Arkadiko.finance, click on Launch App, then go on the Vault section and click Create Vault. You'll be able to choose among two collateral types, which is stacks and XBTC, which is the wrapped version of Bitcoin, but we'll go with stacks. And we'll go also with the first option, which is a higher liquidation ratio. So the important thing to know is that you can get liquidated if your collateral to debt ratio goes lower than 175% in this scenario we choose. And the penalty to pay is 10% of your collateral in case of liquidation. And the stability fee is the interest in percentage to borrow USDA is 4%. But remember, that we have self-repaying loans because we make around 10% yield on our stacks. So liquidation is a big factor to consider before committing large amount of stacks in vaults. Then let's say we choose this option. And let's say that we want to commit 15 stacks as collateral and we'll mint 3 USDA. Then on the right, you will be able to see the collateral to debt ratio with this setting, then the price at which you will get liquidated and the current stacks price and other key factors that we saw before. It's always good to have a high collateral to debt ratio in case stacks price plummets down, goes down as happened in the last couple of days due to the crypto market situation. And then you'll do continue to confirm everything. And it's important to know that your stacks will be locked for quite some time because once they go through the proof of mechanism transfer, they cannot be moved until the end of the process. I would not open a vault, but you just need to click here, confirm the transaction, and you will open a vault. The second feature you should know about Arkadiko is DEX. So you can swap between stacks and USDA, but also DIKO, which is governance token of Arkadiko, XBTC, and another couple of tokens. Moreover, you can pull together tokens to provide liquidity to the different pools. And in exchange, you receive LP tokens, which can be staked for some quite good returns, as you can see. The DIKO USDA has a return of 176%. Moreover, you can stake DIKO by itself for a current APR of 30%. The third thing that you should know about Arkadiko is the DIKO token, which is the governance token of Arkadiko. It can be staked to further accumulate it, but also use it in the governance process. In fact, by going in the governance section, you'll be able to see all the proposals and also voting the active ones. The fourth thing that you should know about Arkadiko is the liquidation pool. Basically, when a vault debt to collateral ratio is too low, it gets liquidated, which means the liquidator pays back the debt and buys the collateral at a discount. Arkadiko created a liquidation pool where anyone can participate in the process, where people simply need to deposit USDA, and a smart contract will automatically purchase the collateral at a discount when a liquidation happens. To do that, you just need to go on the stake section and add USDA to the liquidation pool. Finally, thanks for watching the video. If you're new to Stacks, make sure to watch a video on how to download Hero Stacks wallet, or if interested in NFTs, I made a video on Megapont, which is the blue chip on Stacks. The links are also in the description. See you to the next video.